It's a new 2020 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, multi-function steering wheel, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For the best dealership experience of your life, come to Sarah Honda, Grandville. We're easy to find, just 1 mile west of the Rivertown Crossings Mall in Grandville.